Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
We are here to present our sustainable green solution to save our Mother Earth. So, nowadays we have seen a common problem faced is that there is a lots of plastic waste generated annually, and in which 40% of plastic is recycled, and the 60% of the plastic is found in the landfills and the water bodies, which is harmful and for terrestrial as well as for aquatic organisms.
So we are here with a solution which is Repolytech Green Filament, which directly converts the plastic bottle scrap strips into the filaments so that we can use them and create things like this, which 3D printer creates.
Our filament is more shinier, and also it does not require any direct drive extruder, and also majorly it reduces the plastic waste. It creates the project models like this, and it is more shinier also.
We are using reverse engineering mechanism as we are using 3D printer parts like this screen, which helps in temperature regulation, and this nozzle which helps in filament making. So can we show them demo now?
From here we convert the strip into the filament, and here the filament is rolled, and after that we are also having this cutter machine which we are developing. It's not fully developed actually. We are working on it so that we can cut this type of strip automatically.
So this helps in heating. So it needs 260-degree temperature to heat, so that so that it can convert this strip into a filament. So it is heating now, and then it is not totally automatic, as it is semi-automatic. We want investment so that we can fully automate this, and we can work on this model also so that we can reduce our labor cost, and we can produce this better, and we will generate more profit.
Right now it's heating. We will have to wait for a while.
Till then we can talk about our unit economics, as our labor cost will be, as we have calculated, our labor cost will be rupees 57, and our raw material cost not more than 2 rupees. Our electricity cost is rupees 0.7, as it takes 0.1 unit per 0.1 unit for an hour. In this, our profit will be 30 rupees, as the total cost will be 90 rupees. 1 meter filament will cost rupees 6. And if we will take 10 machines, then one labor can work on 10 machines. So we will produce more profit, and hence our profit will be rupees 81 rupees, and our labor cost will be reduced, and our machine can produce more filaments.
So you are getting the filament from the PET bottles.
Yeah.
So that you are doing, or it's someone else is doing for you?
We can get these from the NGOs or recycling companies. Right now we have arranged this from our local markets.
So no, cutting that PET into the filament you are doing, or somebody else is doing?
We can cut this bottle into strips, thin strips, and then we can convert. So to ourselves.
That's
now.
a manual process.
Yeah, we are trying to do that
Then
automatically.
you are making a rolls like this.
Yeah.
And then you will, based on the design, you will convert the end products like those.
Yeah.
And what are the selling price? Who will sell those end products, or what you want to sell? The end products or the
filament? We are selling the filament, as these are made by 3D printers. This machine produce filament and not the products like these.
So machine you have trying to
Yes.
build.
We developed machine to produce filaments. We are also thinking to sell machines in future when we will develop it fully and it will be totally automatic. So when the temperature get to 45 degree, we need to move the axis so we can move our extruder. Sometimes if there is heating problem, if it doesn't heat or there is more heat produced, so it will show heating failed, so any mishappening don't happen. This type of filament is made from these strips.
And produces the filament which is
Yeah.
you are having in your hand.
Yes, sir.
And at what price those filaments will be sold?
So 1 meter filament will be sold at ₹6, and one bottle produce 1.5 liter bottle produce 15 meter of filament. So
90
it will,
rupees.
yeah,
And your cost you said was 50 rupees.
Rupees.
6 rupees. And manufacturing cost is how much?
Raw material, which is bottle, and it only costs 6 rupees only.
Okay. The cost is 6 rupees. You will be able to sell the products worth rupees 90.
our machine cost 3,200.
And how much many meters it can produce in a day or
If it in 1 hour it can produce 15 meter.
1 hour 15 meters?
We are working on it so that the production increases.